How to assemble your Greenworks mulch plug assembly with your new Greenworks CRZ 426 or CRT 426 ride-on or zero-turn mower. Once the unit is uncrated, you will see you have this bolt here, hole here, and that bolt there. Currently, this is our mulch kit that's included. That will not bolt on. We need to bolt this bracket here and this bracket here to the deck frame, which is part number C in our section kit. So all you do is unbox this section here. We do include the spanners and everything else, and this is all part of the assembly kit. The smaller bolt, the bracket there, bolts there with the square, and the round or the thread that the mulch kit goes onto points that way, and you use that there, which is a 10mm, bolts through there. The front bracket, which is that one there, bolts here. We utilize that bolt, so we just undo that bolt, put that one there, which is the larger space there. It's fitted. It is as easy then leaving them on, and we slide our kit over the slot there, and then with the brackets on, you screw those in to lock the mulch plug in place. The blades that our unit comes with are 2-in-1 blades, so they're a mulcher or a cutter, so you don't need to change the blades. If you want to remove the mulch plug, it's as simple as loosen these off, loosen that off, take it off, then it becomes a side throw again. Thank you, I hope that helps.